Hey there, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that's probably on a lot of our minds, healthy eating. With all the trends and fads out there, it can be super overwhelming to figure out what's actually good for us. So let's break it down and talk about some of the healthiest foods you can incorporate into your diet. Trust me, it's not as complicated as it seems. First up, let's chat about fruits and vegetables. Come on, they're the classic go-tos for a reason. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with vitamins A, C, and K. They're also loaded with antioxidants, which help fight off those pesky free radicals that can cause all sorts of health issues. And don't forget about colorful veggies like bell peppers and carrots. The more colors on your plate, the better. Each color represents different nutrients, so it's like eating a rainbow of health. Now, let's not overlook fruits. Berries, in particular, are a powerhouse. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are not only delicious, but are also high in fiber and antioxidants. They can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Plus, they make for a fantastic snack or a sweet addition to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Speaking of yogurt, let's dive into dairy, or more specifically, the health benefits of fermented dairy. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein and probiotics, which are great for gut health. Just be mindful of the sugar content in flavored varieties. Moving on to whole grains. If you're still reaching for that white bread or those sugary cereals, it's time to make a switch. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are rich in fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied. They also stabilize blood sugar levels, which is super important for maintaining energy throughout the day. Oatmeal, for example, is a great breakfast option. You can dress it up with fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey for a nutritious start to your day. Speaking of nuts, let's talk about healthy fats. We've been told for years to avoid fats, but the truth is, not all fats are created equal. Avocados, almonds, walnuts, and olive oil are fantastic sources of healthy fats that are essential for brain health and hormone production. Avocados, in particular, are so versatile. You can mash them on toast, throw them in a smoothie, or even use them as a creamy dressing base. And don't forget about nut butters. Just check the labels to make sure they don't have added sugars or oils. Now, let's not skip over protein. Lean meats like chicken and turkey are excellent sources. But if you're looking for plant-based options, beans and legumes are your best friends. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are not only high in protein, but also packed with fiber. They're super filling and can be added to salads, soups, or even made into delicious veggie burgers. And if you're a fan of seafood, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for heart health. Lastly, let's not forget about hydration. Water is essential, but you can also get hydration from foods. Cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges have high water content and are refreshing snacks. Herbal teas can also be a great way to stay hydrated while enjoying some added health benefits. So there you have it. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or complicated. It's all about making small changes and finding what works for you. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you feel better, have more energy, and just overall improve your well-being. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. So, let's make those healthy choices together.